Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you install mods onto Minecraft. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's pretty easy. So first of all, you need to download your Forge version. Okay. So how we can download this is going to all go onto any browser that we're working with, and then you're going to download your respected version. I'll download the 1.19.3 version because for me it's the most versatile one for me. So I'm going to download the Minecraft Forge version, and once you've downloaded, and now you're going to pick any mod now, but any mod you want to install. But before that, we need to first make sure we have Java downloaded. Okay, so when I'm going to pick my this mod, it's just a furniture mod, pretty nice mod. Okay, and then I recommend if you want to download any mods, you go onto something called 9Minecraft. It's a really fun website. It has a lot of things that you can use, and it's pretty easy. So one thing you need to do is make sure that once you go down here, you need to pick the right version for your Minecraft, and use the Forge version, which is basically this one of two servers downloaded. Now once you download it, you need to make sure that it requires you also download both of these things. Okay, the cloth config API and this thing patch chuli. Okay, now I'll download all three of these things and I'll meet you there. So now I have all of these installed. So we're going to first install the Forge version. Okay, so you're going to click on Forge. Okay, once you click on it, you're going to click on OK and install it. Of course, you need to install Java first. Now there's a fix that there's something that could happen to you, which is basically when you install it, it's not going to appear on the Java logo. It's going to appear for you as a WinRAR like this. So what you do, it's pretty easy. You just click on it and then right click and then click on Open With. Once you click on Open With, you're going to hover Open With. You're going to choose another app and make sure you're using Java TM Platform SA binary, and make sure always use this app to open .jar files. Once you do this and click OK, it's going to switch from the WinRAR file to the Java logo. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to open it and then we're going to install it. Once you install it, you need to first launch Minecraft on the Forge version. As you can see, I have my installations over here, all my versions. I have the Forge version. Now you need to open Minecraft on the Forge version first. Open it and then create a new world, then close Minecraft. And now once you close it, after you close it, you're going to click on Windows R, and when you click on Windows R, you're going to search for something called App Data. Once you click on App Data, you're going to click on .minecraft, and then you're going to meet with all Minecraft settings. Now you're going to click on Mods. You're going to have this trajectory called Mods. Now on mods over here, you need to make sure, now over here is where we're going to move all our mods here. So we're going to back off and we're going to download all the things, and we're going to cut all the mods that we installed. We're going to right click and then cut, and then go onto our on our mods folder and then paste. Once I paste it, I'm going to open again Minecraft again, and let's see if the mods work or not. As you can see, I launched Minecraft, and if I go on to mods, I'm going to have all the mods I installed. The Paladins, Furniture, the Cloth Config, and all the way the patch chuli. I'll go on to my Minecraft and I'll show you that that it actually works, the mods inside the game, and it's pretty easy. Now if you're someone who used Minecraft in the old times, okay, installing mods wasn't like this hassle. It was just install the mod, copy and paste it. Now there's requirements and new things, but it's just the same easy. Now we're gonna click on E to open our inventory, and we'll go back. As you can see, I have a Paladins Furniture mod, and as you can see, all the furniture and the furniture mod is installed. Any mod you need to install, you're going to you're going to follow the same things that we followed, and make sure you download the requirements that are the requirements for each mod. So that was it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.